Mike back at it again, hanging out with Mr. James Polony. Thank you for hanging out with me today. So we are going to talk about ears, and we're going to talk about necks, and we're going to talk about just the basic jawline. So we started off lightly, and now we can chisel. I'm actually digging the shape of this pretty good, but we started drawing lightly, so now I'm going to go ahead, kind of darken. We've got our cheekbones here, kind of going in like so. And that is the basic form of the head there, but we need to talk about ears. So ears are the same as drawing the ladies, where we've got the eye line coming across like this and the nose coming across like this. That is going to be, this nose happens to be a little bit longer, so these ears are going to be a little bit longer as well. So we can go ahead and add those in. Now, the neck, because right now this is totally zombie, just floating in space, right? It's a little creepy. We're gonna draw on the neck. Now, with guys in general, usually guys are, because we're a little bit more rugged, we play sports, we're just a little bit meatier, our necks are gonna be a little bit thicker. You can go a lot thicker, so if you're trying to draw a football player, or if you're trying to draw the Incredible Hulk, or like just someone that's totally ripped, you can make the neck thicker, but you can never have the neck wider than where the ears are, because this is the center axis where the neck meets the jaw. So you can't go wider than that. But let's say we do want to make this guy really, really muscular. We can start at the place where the ears kind of meet the jaw there. And we could do, look at that. Look how meaty, like this is. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? Here's the shoulders kind of going like that. Now, when you are drawing men in general, you can get away with doing a little bit more detail. And when you're drawing women, you want to draw more curved, like arced lines. And when you're drawing men, because you're trying to make them masculine, you can be a little bit more angular and concise with your drawing. So what you can do, especially if this guy is ripped, you could add a little bit more definition in like the neck and in the pit of the neck and the clavicle, or some separation kind of showing where the pectoral, this guy is so beefed, there's actually definition from where, I don't have that definition, but where the shoulder here is changing into the pectoral. I'm not going to talk about hair in this series of videos because we talked about that in the last one. I'm just going to give this guy a sweet chrome dome. Kind of like we need to talk about eyebrows. So when we come back, we will talk about eyebrows in the next video, but to separate these into videos for you guys, we're going to draw some awesome eyebrows. And James, I have to say, you do have some pretty sweet angular eyebrows.
I know that.
All right, come back with us in the next video.